Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a poster in Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our Canva website or app. Then we're going to sign in if you haven't signed in yet. You guys could also log in if you have any accounts. Then we're going to go to the search bar and search for poster. As you can see, there are different types of posters. But for general purpose sake, we're going to search for poster in general. So as you can see, there are different posters that are loading now. As you can see, Canva makes creating posters incredibly easy, even without any type of design experience. You can start with any of the professional templates there and customize them, or you guys could also design from scratch using the huge library of elements. So you can choose from the thousands of free customizable templates of any theme, events, promotions, education, and many more. So we get access of millions of photos, graphics, and fonts. So you guys could choose any of them. For example, if you want to continue with this type of poster, you guys could click customize this template and you guys can make change to it. If not, you guys could also search for different types of poster. You could make it specific, for example, advertisement posters. So these are the different types of advertisement posters you guys can use. You can order high quality prints and turn them out as posters. So as you can see, every print order includes free standard shipping and is backed by a happiness guarantee. So all you have to do is click on any template, and if you guys want to use it, all you have to do is click on customize this template. So there are different template sizes, as you can see, from small, medium, large. If you guys don't want to use any of them, all you have to do is go to the home bar, then click on templates, then again click on poster. So here are different posters as well, but only this time you guys could create a poster from blank. But these are the same type of posters you guys can get by searching as we did before. So if you want to create a specific type of poster, for example, a discount poster, we're going to search for a discount and click of any templates you guys found. Then if you want to make exactly this type of template, we're going to have to create it from scratch. So once you guys have this in mind, all you have to do is go back and click on Create Blank button. Then here is the blank poster we're going to create. So the first thing we're going to do is select the color palette. Since we wanted to have a different color palette, all you have to do is go to the color section and select any of the colors listed below. You guys could choose any of the default solid colors, or you guys could also choose any of the default gradient colors. So depending on your preference, you're going to choose any of the default gradient colors. I personally chose this greenish type of gradient color. So we're going to add elements to this poster. So the next thing we're going to do is go to elements and click on shapes. So we're going to insert a circular type of shape, since on the previous template we saw, they had a circular shape in the middle of it. So we're going to add a similar type of circular shape. Then you're going to resize it and put it to the middle. Then the next thing we're going to do is select the color of this circular shape. So we're going to make it something that resonates with the gradient color. So in this case, I wanted it to be grayish. So we're going to select the grayish solid color. So once you guys have set this up, the next thing we're going to do is click on text and add a heading. So since we're going to do a discount of type of poster, we're going to make sure we're going to insert every information available for that discount. So for example, if you want a 25% discount, we're going to write get 25% off now. So this is the specific aim of this poster, since it's a discount poster. So we're going to center this text in the middle of the circle. Then you guys could also change the font size. You can make it bold, italic, or you can even underline it. So I want to change the font of this text. So we're going to scroll downwards from the list of fonts we have under the text section. So once you're sure you have the font you want, the next thing we're going to do is make it bold for it to have a better look. You guys could also change the line spacing, the letter spacing to make it more eyesight worthy. Then you guys could also have different styles. Click on the effects section. And as you can see, you have different type of effects to the text you have. So I chose this type of effect. Then you guys could also change the color there. The aim of this poster is to have a discount code available for customers. So I'm trying to make the text in the middle more good to look at, as well as to change the color. Then the next thing we're going to do is insert a text. This text will be the shop of our discount. So we're going to insert any type of websites if we have one. So once we align the text to the middle and make our circular body straight, we're going to add a subheading. This subheading is going to be our website in which we want our discount code to be found at. So we're going to insert our website. Then we're going to drag it to the proper place. Then we're going to also change the font to be similar as the discount code. So search for that specific font. So as you can see, our subheading also has changed. You guys can increase it in size or decrease it in size, depending on your preference. You could also change colors for it. So in this case, I changed its color. Then finally, we're going to add some decorations to our poster. So we're going to go to the elements section and search any type of decorations we want. In this case, I searched for sparkle. So we're going to add some sparkle to this poster to make it have a good look. So we're going to duplicate this sparkle. We're going to duplicate this decoration and put it at the top, at the bottom, and everywhere that's going to have a very great look. So as you can see, decorations are a very important part of making a poster. They make your poster look lively. So this is somehow relative to the poster we just saw before. So once you guys are done with everything, all you have to do is click on the share button on the top right corner. Then next, we're going to click on download. Then click on the PDF version. Then make sure it's on PDF print so you guys can have the color version of this one. Then finally, click on download. So that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.